Some people say that seeing is believing. Other people understand that the opposite is true, that believing is seeing. We went to Utah to investigate this idea. We started out in Salt Lake City to settle into our new environment. Got some coffee, saw some things around the city, even got some great food. You know, the touristy things.
So we just grabbed a bite to eat. We're gonna be in Salt Lake for a couple of days, and then we're gonna head over to our main destinations, Zion and Arches. Let's hang out.
On day 2, we decided on a little warm-up before we got on our full-blown hike. So we found this old abandoned mining area. It was fun thinking about all the history that happened in this place, and even recreate some with family.
We got a real-life panning for gold expert right here. You find anything, Dad?
No, not dry run. Them are just rocks.
Yeah, just rocks. Dang. So we're at this old mining village. Here's one of the cabins. Look at this.
I have experienced the fact that when I get to know God's creation, I can get to know the Creator even more. God reveals himself through his creation, whether that's the river, the animals, the sky, the birds in the air, or most of all, his people. Getting to know God's creation gives us a window into who God is and gives us a chance to know him more.
This thing is huge. Look at it.
When you believe in God, everything that you see becomes a living image of who God is. You may even say, believing is seeing.